Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to the new subscribers, and for the old subscribers, my viewers, thank you for your support. So in today's video we'll be seeing how we can achieve at home that kind of party like amala we eat at Owambe's. For me for example, if I go for any party and amala is served, I always like to take amala because it comes hot and very nice. You can use your spoon to eat. I always enjoy it. So now the secret is sieving. You start with sieving your amala. Now this allows air to go in and make it light already, breaking any lump, and also gives you opportunity to take out any form of maybe weevil or anything that unwanted particles in the amala. So sieving is number one key in getting that fluffy like amala, except maybe you just blended it or something, just made the amala and it's still very fresh. But whatever, I think I like the result more when I take my time to sieve it. So I had to change into a bucket, and this custard bucket, to gather the dust. The other bowl was too exposed and dust was just flying everywhere, so this bucket made it better for me. So when you finish sieving this, the next thing of course is to have your hot water. Boil your water. Your water would have already been boiling, so into your pot you pour in your hot water. Now I do not like to boil the water directly in my pot. I like to maybe boil it in the kettle and turn it into the pot. That way I have leftover water and I have better control of the water I'm going to use. You could also use your pot to boil the water, but please make sure you have some reserve somewhere, which you'll be using in the process of making the amala. So the rest is just what you just watched. So I'll just allow you continue viewing, and at the end you just scoop it. I like to eat my amala there hot and fresh. So after serving everyone, I serve mine. In fact, while I'm serving other people, I put mine in the cooler when you're in the flask, so that it's still steaming hot. I like when it's steaming hot. So happy viewing, and I hope you learn one thing or two. Please do like, share, subscribe, leave your comments. If you have anything to add, advice, whatever, just leave in the comments and you get a response. Thanks. Bye. Love you.